Hey guys, we are at the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center here in Austin, Texas. And this is a University of Texas property that they have created not only to kind of share some of the hill country wildflowers and so on like that, but it also serves as a research facility and so on like that. We thought this would be a great weekend. The heat of summer is finally coming on after such a delightful spring. And we thought it'd be really great to kind of see what's in bloom and maybe what we can or can't do kind of as particularly our summer months come along.
It's probably, what, about 90 degrees right now? 80, 88 to 90.
Supposed to be up to 94 later, I guess, as the midday comes along. We'll see. But.
Lady Bird, obviously the First Lady, Lyndon Baines Johnson. So it'll be fun. Let's go take an adventure.
Look at all the dragonflies.
I know. Oh, there's a turtle on the rock.
Right. Oh, look at the turtle.
Nice little water garden display.
Ooh, blue and red. I've never seen red dragonflies before. Hey guys, so this is a rock rose, which is actually a very easy to grow Central Texas plant. You can see how beautiful it gets. It can get extremely tall just depending on kind of where you're planting it. This one's planted around a bed of water, so I'm sure that adds to kind of its height, but absolutely beautiful. And it comes in different colors. This is just the color.
You probably grow it anywhere in zone 7 and below.
Mm-hmm, absolutely.
Gonna go up the observation tower. Wow. All right, let's keep going up. Wow. Really up high. There's a trail over there. All right, here we go. Lots of native Texas plants. A lot of lantana I'm seeing. There's a bunch of lantana. Blue sage salvia. Lots of prairie verbena. Really nice.
Yellow sneezeweed.
Yellow sneezeweed?
Sneezeweed.
These are wine cups, right?
So a lot of people might otherwise think them a weed, but they actually are a native wildflower.
And then those are rock roses.
And then that's another form of the rock rose.
Yuccas under the tree. Pyramid bush. Interesting. Nice thing about this is that most of the trails are accessible for those that are either handicapped or maybe a wheelchair or something like that. So they've done a really good job to get everybody out here. There's a thistle. Lots of red yucca. Looks good in the shade, huh?
It does. Here's Turk's cap.
Turk's cap?
We don't have ours blooming yet. We do have some of those in our yard, though.
Century plant. We are on the Woodland Trail. So they put a bunch of these metal statues all around of the different wildlife. It's kind of cool to educate people. This is armadillo. We've seen many of those before. We have foxes. A couple years back, we went to that ranch in West Texas, kind of more of a desert area. And it wasn't like a place for a bunch of people where we were walking on this trail way out, and about 10 feet in front of me, a western diamondback rattlesnake popped up. I jumped about 10 feet, you can imagine. Real shady in here. That's a pretty good size oak tree. Live oak. Of course, lots of bobcats. Still trying to figure out the map. Another observation bridge, which is pretty neat. You can stand up here in the shade and look at the wildlife. Road runner.
I was imagining Johnson sitting there.
We're gonna go check out that other big garden I just showed you, but I've got to keep up with Miss Rochelle. Okay, let's check out this. A lot of different types of gardens. Rock garden. Little wildlife pond. Grasses. Of course, they've got a couple of huge greenhouses that they can propagate their plants. Really neat. At a West Texas desert plant demonstration. Make sure there's no rattlesnakes. This is real nice. This is a restricted area, but I just wanted you guys to see that this is the area where they can grow and propagate all different kind of plants. They get a lot of University of Texas and A&M students that come and do their research here. Deniantia, we have that in our desert garden. Called?
Tulip del Monte.
That's pretty bright red.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yes.
What is this? Flame acanthus?
Yeah, but it's yellow. We have the red ones at home. Ours haven't bloomed yet, and the red ones haven't bloomed here yet either. I've
We'll
never
have
seen
to
a yellow one before.
See if we can get a hold of them.
Wow.
What is this?
This is a wild poinsettia. I've never seen one before, but it does. It looks like a poinsettia.
Yeah.
It's starting to bloom. They had some over there as well. Blooms June through October.
Says, what is it, a bluebell?
It says bluebell.
Interesting.
But I've seen it before, but I don't recall it being labeled a bluebell, but maybe it is.
What's the temperature?
It's about 90 degrees outside.
It's only 90. All right, guys.
Making our exit from the Wildflower Center. Spent some good time here. They have a nice little cafe with some AC, beautiful gift shop. So on like that, but yeah, it was really good to, I've got some great ideas of some seeds or plants that I want to start looking for, and things like that. Hope you guys enjoyed the colors that we were able to share for the start of our summer at least. So.
And are you gonna do your video on your natural bug repellent soon?
Hopefully so, yes. It should be just about ready, so we will see what I can fit in today.
That'll be fun. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Until next time, God bless.